I see a lot of people today have shifted to Goa to enjoy this slow or sushegat, comfortable life.
Yes.
We have financial entrepreneurs here, we have media guys here, we have artists here, we have some of the fantastic great names
Yeah.
who have made Goa as their home and are
Yes.
working from Goa.
Yes.
Obviously, the closeness to Mumbai is an advantage, but then
Yes.
again, how do you see Goa transforming into this lifestyle brand that that we see now?
So like you said, a lot of people are coming to Goa, and I have a lot of friends who moved to Goa, who are from the industry, who are choreographers, and who are actors and celebrities from the industry who've come here and now are settled. So, like you said, number one, the advantage is that it's very close to Bombay, so you can travel back and forth. Uh, I think it's easier that way because Mumbai traffic takes you a long time to
Correct.
reach anywhere. I usually spend, I think, half of my day with traveling in the traffic. So that is one advantage. Another thing is, I think, as a creative person, because we are not people who work. Uh, we are not people who do a corporate job from say about 10 to 5 or whatever. We are people who have odd hours of working. And if we are not creative, then we can't move forward. We have to think something new all the time.
Very true.
And the competition is so much. I think competition is in every career, but in our industry, the competition is so much that you have to be out there and show yourself. And I think Goa has it all, and I'll tell you why. Because even I'm planning to move to Goa.
Great news.
I'll tell you why, from my perspective, that one, I honestly feel that yes, a little susegad life is important as well, because you need to relax yourself after working so hard. So I think that is something that Goa gets to you, where there's nature, there's that slow paced life that makes you feel so nice. I'm telling you, for the past 2 days that I'm here in Goa, all I did was I after meeting you all, I gave myself some time. I read a book. I sat, watched everything. I was enjoying this whole thing.
Found time for yourself.
Oh yes, you don't get that in Mumbai. Believe me. Another thing is that. Again, talking about entertainment and parties, Goa is known for its parties and vacation and destination. So I think after a great week of working, being productive, doing all your me time things and working as well, you have the weekend to yourself, where you can go enjoy party, you can go out with friends, sit together, discuss certain things together. There are beautiful conversations that happen. So I think Goa is this one place that now everyone wants to come, because Goa has everything. It is beautiful. It has the nature, it has the party, it has fantastic people. I really love Goa. I'm saying this again and again because you guys made me feel special. So it has good. And also talking about, I think fashion industries, that's something that's lacking here. But let's not avoid and forget all those things like Wendell Rodriguez did, like Valusha D'Souza, and you have
Verma Gemelo, Monticelli.
so many
names
Remo,
that we have.
you have Gail Nicole D'Silva. You have so many people who are in Goa doing so much. And believe me when I speak to them, or when we all, whenever we meet for such events. So we always thought about how do we promote this. But unfortunately, that part is something that's missing. And I think that is why I'm here.